day and welcome to the next edition of the LFHS News Channel, which brings in a nutshell the news bulletin every fortnight. The news headlines for the second fortnight of November 2021.
Mega Children's Day celebrations held on 13 November 2021 with Mr. Jayesh Ranjan, IAS as the chief guest. LFHS News Channel and Parent Login app launched on 13 November 2021. Students of classes 1 to 4 returned to physical classes. Tiny tots of LKG shine in multifarious co-curricular activities. News bites released by classes 1 and 2. Unit Test 2 conducted for classes 1 to 9. Class assemblies led by the students of classes 9 and 10. Sports competitions in full swing. Seminars for the students and members of the staff. Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav celebrated to honor the families of the martyrs of the India-Pak conflict in 1971. Dramatics competitions held with enthusiasm. Quiz competitions conducted with fervent intensity.
The news in detail. Children's Day celebrations was held on 13 November 2021 in the high school and primary sections with a plethora of performances by students and teachers. Mr. Jayesh Ranjan, IAS, Principal Secretary, Industries and Commerce and Information Technology, Departments of the Government of Telangana was the chief guest. He exhorted the teachers to cultivate entrepreneurship skills in our students. The LFHS Parent Login app and the LFHS Fortnightly TV News channel were launched. The folk dancers girls and western dancers boys enthralled the audience. Teachers put up a meaningful skit and entertained the students with their songs and dance.
The teachers of the primary section welcomed the students of classes 1 to 4 on 15th and 16th of November back to school for a face-to-face interaction, a truly unforgettable moment. The LKG students had fun-filled co-curricular activities like palm printing and vegetable vendor activity. The Queen's English conducted an online fluency and confidence test, FACT, for all the students of classes 1 to 10 on 14 November 2021.
News Bites, the fortnightly e-magazine with the activities of the students of classes 1 and 2 was released, showcasing the events conducted for these students. To test the learning skills of the students, Unit Test 2 was conducted from 17th November to 25th November for classes 1 to 9. Class assemblies conducted by the students of classes 9 and 10 threw light on the effects of the pandemic and our need to make positive changes and respond accordingly. Sports competitions in basketball, cricket, tug of war, shot put were held for the boys and girls of the high school in order to inculcate the values of sportsmanship and fair play.
A career counseling session for the students of class 10 was held by Mr. Vijay Anand to help students in making valuable career decisions for their future. Two of our teachers attended a seminar where a lot of emphasis was given on the approach towards building career options for our students. A festival of dramas brought out the best in our students. 4 one-act plays in English were staged on 27 November 2021 by the 4 houses: cosmonauts, aeronauts, argonauts and the astronauts to hone the acting skills of our students. The stage setting and costumes added to the aesthetics of the inter-house competition. Mohammad Danish Abdul of class 10B bagged the Best Actor Award.
On 28th November, our NCC unit, under the aegis of the NCC Directorate Telangana, organized a solemn program, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, to remember 5 soldiers of Hyderabad who sacrificed their lives during the Indo-Pakistan conflict of 1971 to protect the citizens and the nation. We salute these martyrs and express our heartfelt gratitude. The event was presided over by Colonel A.K. Kulshrestha, Group Commander, NCC Group, Hyderabad Headquarters, who saluted these soldiers and honored their families. Reverend Brother Sergeant Anthony, our principal, expressed his gratitude to these soldiers.
The quizzing talents of our students were put to the test by our very own quiz masters, Mustafa Ahmed, Mahima Gandhi, Prateek Nair, Ronak Agarwal, Aaron Ali, Joshua Adish, Ekta Rupani and K. Netra, who made it a thrilling experience for our students. The quiz competitions were held on 29th for the pre-seniors and 30th for the juniors. More from our news desk next fortnight. Thank you.